Mark 10. Divorce. Jesus comot for that place go Judea and Jordan River area. Plenty people still gather come meet am. He come begin teach them as he dey do every time. Then some Pharisee people wey wan test am come ask am, "E bad make man drive him wife at all?" Jesus ask them, "Wetin Moses command una?" Dem answer, "Moses say make man write letter to divorce him wife." But Jesus tell them, "He tell una to do so because una heart strong well well. But from the time God create the world, na man and woman na him he make. Na this make man dey leave him papa and mama go join him wife, and the two of them go be one. So them no go be two again, but they go be one body. So wetin God don join together, make nobody separate am." When they enter the house again, him disciples come ask am about the matter. Jesus answer them, "Anybody wey drive him wife, then he go marry another woman, he don commit adultery. And any woman wey leave him husband, then he go marry another man, don commit adultery too." Jesus and small children. People come dey bring children come meet Jesus make he touch them, but him disciples dey shout for the people wey bring them come. But when Jesus see wetin dey happen, he vex come tell him disciples, "Make una allow small children come meet me, not stop them, because na people like them go enter God kingdom. I tell una true word, anybody wey no receive God kingdom like small children no go ever enter inside." After, Jesus draw the small children near body, come bless them. The Rish Man. As Jesus dey waka for road, one man run come meet am say, "Good teacher, wetin I go do make I forget life wey no dey end?" Jesus answer am, "Why you dey call me good? Nobody good except God. You know the commandment: no kill person, no sleep with person wey you no marry, no thief, no lie for person head, no cheat person, respect your papa and mama." The man come tell Jesus, "Teacher, I dey obey all this law with all my heart since I be small pikin." As Jesus look am, he come feel for am. Then he tell am, "E get one thing wey you never do. Go sell all wetin you get, give poor people the money, and you go get plenty property for heaven. Then make you come follow me." When the man hear this word, he vex comot there because he get plenty money. Then Jesus look round, come tell him disciples, e go hard well for people wey get money well to enter God kingdom. The disciples surprise for wetin Jesus talk, but Jesus tell them again, "My children, e go hard well to enter God kingdom o. E go dey easy for camel to pass needle hole than for people wey get money well to enter God kingdom." Then surprise more, come dey ask each other, "Then who God go save? Then who God go save?" Jesus look them come answer, "These things hard well for human being, but not be for God, because everything dey possible for God." Peter come tell am, see, what of we wey don leave everything wey we get come follow you? Jesus answer, I tell una true word, e no get anybody wey live in house, brothers, sisters, papa, mama, children or land because of the gospel, wey no go receive 100 times more than the house, brothers, sisters, papa, mama, children and land wey live for this world. Although e no go easy for them, but the life wey no go end for the world wey dey come go be their own. But many people wey be first now go be last, and people wey be last now go be first. Jesus talk about him death and resurrection again. Jesus and him disciples come dey go Jerusalem. As Jesus dey waka for their front, the disciples confuse, and those wey dey follow them come dey fear, because dem no know wetin go happen for there. Jesus call him 12 disciples go corner again, come begin tell them wetin go happen to am. See, we dey go Jerusalem, and dem go sell man pikin give the priest oga dem and the law teachers. Dem go condemn am, and dem go give am to the Gentile people. Dem go laugh am, spit for him body, flog am well well, come kill am. But after 3 days, he go wake up. James and John beg Jesus. Zebedee's children, James and John, come meet Jesus, say, Teacher, we wan make you do anything we wan beg you. Jesus come ask them, wetin una want make I do for una? They answer, make you allow us sit down with you for your kingdom, one for your right and the other for your left hand. Jesus ask them, una know wetin una dey ask for so? Una go fit drink from the cup wey I go drink from? Abi una go fit bear the baptism wey dem go baptize me? They answer, we go fit. Then Jesus tell them, una go really drink from the cup wey I go drink from, and una go fit bear the baptism wey dem go baptize me. But not be me go talk who go sit down for my left or right side, because he get the people wey God prepare am for. When the other 10 disciples hear wetin Zebedee's children tell Jesus, they come dey vex for them. Jesus call and tell them, una know say people wey dey rule the Gentile people dey do oga for them, and people wey dey high place dey use their position dey oppress people. But not be so e suppose be among una. Anybody wey wan be oga among una must be una servant, and anybody wey wan be first among una must be everybody servant. Because even man pikin no come make dem serve am, but he come to serve people and to give him life make many people for dey save. Jesus heal Bartimaeus wey blind. They come go Jericho. As Jesus and him disciples with plenty people dey comot for there, Bartimaeus wey be Timaeus pikin, one beggar wey blind, sit down for road dey beg. When he hear say Jesus wey come from Nazareth dey pass, he come begin shout, Jesus Christ, David pikin, make you sorry for me o. Many people come dey shout for am make he quiet, but he come dey shout more say, David pikin, sorry for me, oh. Jesus stop, come say, make una call and come. So they tell the blind man, make you happy, get up because Jesus they call you. Bartimaeus throw away the cloth where he take cover body, come jump up, go meet Jesus. Then Jesus ask him, wetin you want make I do for you? The blind man answer, teacher, make my eye open, make I for fit see again. So Jesus tell him, go, your faith don heal you. At once the man come dey see, and he come follow Jesus.
All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then now click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.